Hi folks, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw the development of a cylinder. Now just as we've been drawing the previous ones, what you need to do here is you need to start from your plan. So your plan will be at the bottom here. Then you develop it, your front elevation, and then you draw the development to the right. So I will make this drawing snappy, and because I've been talking about this in the previous episode, so it should be a concept that is familiar to you by now. But if you are just joining this course, please endeavor to watch the episodes before this one so I can gain a full grasp of the fundamentals of this course. So this is the base. The base is a circle. So the next thing is I'll draw the horizontal diagonal, and then from there I'll divide it into 12 parts. So I also draw the vertical diagonal in this case. It will be necessary. This is the vertical diagonal. So they are 90 degrees. That's why I'm making use of the set square in this manner. The angle between the vertical and the horizontal is 90 degrees. So that's why you have to make use of your set square and your t-square. So in this case, this is actually a ruler because this drawing is a small drawing. So that's why I'm not using the t-square. Now, let's divide this into 12 parts. So you've probably seen me do this a couple of times. I won't repeat the procedure. If you've not seen me doing this, you can check the previous episodes on this. Now we've done this, do this, do this. Finally, here, cut here, cut here. So, fortunately, we've done that. So now let's draw the lines. Now I would say you don't really need the lines, but it's kind of like a tradition. So all you need are the points. You don't need the lines to connect them, but still stick to it. It makes it look more, visible. So I don't know where these lines are coming from and what is connecting them. Now the next thing to do is to project your vertical lines upwards. So I'll actually take it down. I'll take it downwards. I need to project the vertical lines. So this will be the lines on which my front elevation will be based. My front elevation will be based on these lines. Then we have this. Let's project it down. So I have it here. I have it here. I have it here. I have it here. Yeah. So finally, that's good. Cool. The next thing to do is we'll draw the actual front elevation. So you've probably seen me do this a couple of times. If you haven't, you can check out the previous episode on this. Now in this case, we'll be dealing with the full cylinder. We're not truncating anything here, so I won't be making any angled cuts. So this is basically the development of a cylinder, just a cylinder. Now the next thing, I will thicken my drawing. So this is actually how the plan looks, the elevation rather. This is the elevation of this drawing. I'll thicken it right here. So now we have this. I have it here. Now the next thing to do is to transfer the divisions on your plan. So I'm going to transfer them and use them to draw the development. So I'll transfer 12 because I'll be dividing the circle into 12 parts. So I'll transfer 12 divisions corresponding to the 12 divisions on the plan. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So actually, when you are drawing, the only part of your compass you should be holding is the top, for good reason. But the reason why I'm supporting it here is because I want to make the line stick and visible. Now next thing, let's draw vertical lines. So these are the vertical parallels that will correspond to the section of the front elevations. Yes, sections of the front elevation. So doing the adjustment, we have that here. Have that here. Have that here. Have that here. We have that here. We have that here. We have that here. And here. And finally here. So just if you choose, you can also. So let me put a last division here. So I don't want there to be any division here. So I'm removing that and I'm fixing a last one here, fixing it at the other end. So I want there to be a space. So now let's call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1. So these are the divisions on which this cylinder has been developed. So these are the divisions, and this is the development of the cylinder. Now, just in case you've not noticed, a cylinder, when it is developed, it looks like a rectangle. So that's because it's like a rectangle that has been rolled into a circular shape at the base. So this is how to draw the development of a cylinder. And probably it looks like I might need to thicken this circle. Just fancy. So let's thicken the circle so it will be of equal thickness with the front elevation. It's not necessary, but when you are done with your drawing, you also need to thicken your outlines. So here we go. Thanks for watching and see you next episode.